Right now we are testing drivers to see who we want to be the driver for our robotics team.
On the autonomous program, what the main objective for the autonomous program is to, so from our starting point in R1 is what we're calling it, our box for R1, we're going to back up, turn 90 degrees, and then go straight for the sky blocks. The coding Java, yeah, we're coding Java. It's different from JavaScript a lot.
The hardest part, not for me personally, but for like chairmen and coaches, is to get everyone to pay attention. Because we're always on our phones, screwing around, lightsaber fighting.
The hardest part is probably either driving or figuring out how to strafe, because that's what our plan was for autonomous at first. But we were able to figure out, and we have included it in our driving, and we got rid of it for autonomous because it was just easier.
Accuracy is everything, basically, because if you misplace the block, it could fall over and end up knocking over your whole tower, or you could accidentally run into something else and get disqualified for damaging another robot or something. And you have to have accuracy when you're driving in the autonomous, because if you're like off, you could run into a wall, and if it's hard enough, you could break the robot.
Every second of this game is crucial, and you do not want to waste time, so having important accuracy can help you not waste time and get a better overall score.